Greetings from the future of opulent travel. Introducing the Mercedes-Benz EV Motorhome for 2026. This groundbreaking automobile is more than simply a mode of transportation. It is a declaration of dedication to environmentally friendly travel without sacrificing performance or elegance. The RV is driven by a silent, high-power electric motor with a potential output of up to 200 kilowatts, about 268 horsepower, and outstanding immediate torque to handle any terrain. It is based on Mercedes-Benz sophisticated electric architecture, most likely from the next-generation eSprinter. With its sleek LED headlights and taillights, crisp, contemporary body lines, and the classic yet more aerodynamic front grille for EV efficiency, the external design flawlessly combines the Sprinter business van's practicality with Mercedes-Benz distinctive appearance. Your trip will be both fashionable and emission-free thanks to the combination of functionality and design. As soon as you enter, you are greeted by a sleek and intuitive dashboard. The center area is occupied by a large touchscreen infotainment panel that smoothly integrates with smart connections and an intelligent navigation system. All of the crucial trip information is shown succinctly and simply on a digital instrument panel behind the driving wheel. An eco-friendly yet luxurious cabin ambience is created by premium materials like carbon fiber or vegan leather and adjustable ambient lighting. The motorhome's primary cabin is made to be flexible and comfortable. The EV platform's level floor makes the area feel larger and easier to reach. You are invited to unwind in an opulent lounge area with movable, modular couches covered with soft leather or fine cloth. While a multi-zone climate control system guarantees the ideal temperature in every area of the cabin, large panoramic windows provide breathtaking vistas. The bedroom offers a peaceful and comfortable retreat in the evening. You may choose between a fixed queen-size bed or an inventive fold-out bed that can be hidden to maximize available space throughout the day. No matter where you are, you can sleep well thanks to an ergonomic mattress, blackout curtains, and soothing low lighting. Storage areas are cleverly designed to keep your stuff tidy. The bathroom's design promotes space economy without sacrificing elegance. A full-size shower with high water pressure, a stylish sink, and a modern toilet with a water-saving system are all finished with high-end finishes. A state-of-the-art ventilation system keeps the air clean, and bright LED lighting ensures maximum performance. Finally, for any traveling cook, the galley is a dream come true. Included are contemporary conveniences like a 2-burner induction cooktop, a convection microwave, a large, energy-efficient refrigerator and freezer, and a stainless steel sink. The spacious work surfaces, fashionable, easily cleaned composite materials, and clever storage sections make meal preparation enjoyable when traveling.